Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can clear AI chat and Snapchat. So let's just get started. I'll be teaching you guys a very easy step. So just follow me guys. Now let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is just go to Snapchat and just go to Snap or just go to chat. Then from here just search or find your my AI conversation. So mine is all the way top over here. Let's go over here, and then what you need to do is just go to my AI profile. From here, what you need to do is just go on top right corner where you'll be finding this three dot option. Just go over there, and then over here you'll be having a lot of options, but you need to go to chat settings, and then from here what you need to do is you'll be having these clear from chat feed on your top option. So just go over there and just choose clear. Now if you go all the way back to the chat, you will see it is cleared. So that's how you do it guys. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel. And also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just comment down below guys. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.